Why does your scanner show the P0462 engine code? What does it mean? P0462 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel level sensor circuit low input. It indicates that the engine control module is receiving a weak signal from the fuel level sensor in the gas tank. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel level sensor, damaged wiring, fuel tank issues, electrical issues, bad fuel pump module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Honda, Mazda, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.